Raise my trunk, the spotlight's mine. Notes so heavy, shake the vine. From the jungle to the grand ballet, Tenor Tusk sings night and day. Big feet stomp, but my voice takes flight. Echoes thunder through the night. Opera king with the golden crown, shake the stage and break it down. I'm the voice of the jungle, deep and true, singing loud for the crowd, yeah, I roar for you. With a tusk-held mic and a song so grand, I'm the opera elephant across the land. Majestic tone in a tux so fly, audience cheering, spirits high. Take a bow with a trumpet blast, Tenor Tusk.